When you become 18 years old, it means that you are an adult. Your ARD committee during your junior year will likely tell you that when you're 17 years old, that when you become 18, that you become independent. You become responsible for your own choices. Some of the examples of this are that when you're 18, you become responsible for making decisions regarding your education, regarding your financial matters, your medical decisions. If you're not ready for this, there can be a backup plan of guardianship. We will talk about that more in depth in this chapter. Now we're going to talk about alternatives to guardianship. Guardianship is when someone else is designated to help make important decisions for you after the age of 18. There are some things that you need to consider and maybe some questions you should ask yourself. For example, what kind of decisions would be involved? You need to consider, have you made that kind of decision in the past? Has someone helped you understand the risks or the rewards of making a certain decision, or what the consequences or result of the decision might be? Do you know how that decision can influence your life and how long that decision will impact you? Will it be difficult to change your mind later if you make a certain decision now? These are some of the questions you need to ask yourself as to whether or not you want a guardian assigned to you to make decisions after the age of 18. There are other options if you do not want to have a guardian. One way regarding your education needs is through the ARD committee. This includes yourself, your parents, your teachers, counselors, principals. Really, it depends on your needs in order to help make educational decisions. You have another option called an educational power of attorney. This person is given the authority and has the designated role of helping you make educational decisions after you've turned 18 years old. There are several important things regarding daily living. For example, you should have those in your life that you feel that you can trust. This can be family members, close friends, people that can help you make decisions for your daily life regarding money management, cooking, hygiene, healthcare, safety, and relationships. Community-based medical waiver programs can help you with your medical personal needs. This can be care management services that are done through various agencies that can help you live independently as possible. There are programs in which food prices can be reduced or in which food can be provided for free. There are also prescription services that can provide free medication if you are eligible through federal or state programs. There are free or reduced price transportation services. This could include free taxis to go to appointments, bus services, or other transportation services if you qualify. Daily call or home visit services mean that someone would bring food to you or can bring other things such as medication to you. The utility company that's responsible for your water and electric may contact you if you have failed to pay a bill on time. The durable power of attorney refers to a person that is able to make general decisions for you. The technology that's available today is really incredible. There are a lot of different technologies such as video phones, text, and online access. You can even order airline tickets all from online. Regarding medical decisions, it's important that you understand a few things. First is the medical release form. This is a form that says that your medical history can be shared with other providers. This could include surgeons, audiologists, and many others in the healthcare profession. The next is the medical power of attorney. This gives a person the authority to make decisions on your behalf regarding medical decisions. Surrogate decision makers are similar to power of attorneys, but they're more so related with nursing homes, hospitalization, those that are in a coma for an extended period of time or cannot answer. A surrogate decision maker would make a medical decision for you. A declaration of mental health treatment are almost like a set of instructions for a caretaker as to how to care for you. This could be your medicine schedule, an exercise schedule, an eating schedule throughout the day, and a variety of other instructions. Surrogate decision making for intermediate care facilities for individuals with an intellectual disability or related condition. If you live in a group home and you're not able to make large decisions for yourself regarding your medical needs, your dental needs, a surrogate decision making can then make these decisions for you. If there are no surrogates available, then a surrogate committee may discuss and make the right decision for you. These are some of the important things that you need to know regarding medical decisions. Now we're going to talk about financial decisions. There are several important things that you need to know. Credit union and banking services traditionally have representatives which can help you make decisions as to where to invest your money, whether in a checking account, savings account, or money management. Credit and debit cards. These two are very different. A credit card means that you can charge purchases without having to pay immediately, but an interest is applied to them. A debit card means that you have the money in a bank account and that money immediately comes from the account. A representative payee is a person or a business that is assigned by an agency, such as the Social Security Administration, to work with you to make sure that your rent is being paid, that food is being paid, and those sorts of things are included in a budget. A durable power of attorney, once again, is a person that can make decisions for you regarding money. An example could be at the bank, property, buying land, investment, or taxes. A special needs trust allows another person or agency to take care of your finances. For example, this could be if you have a house, that money would be held for you to cover your house expenses, or your living expenditures, or your car payments. This is done with a special needs trust. Supported decision making is a group of people who are responsible for helping you make life decisions in the event that you have an intellectual or developmental disability. Guardianship is when, after you've become 18 years old, someone else is given the authority to take care of you. This can range from your finances, your health, your house, how your money is spent, and many different other areas. This is a legal procedure in which a court has to determine that a guardian is needed. It depends on each individual situation. Some individuals are not able to make decisions for themselves, so the court will appoint a guardian. A judge will decide how long a guardianship is to last and whether or not there are any limitations to the guardianship. The judge will work with you on this. Guardianship can be designated any time after 18 years old, but again, it depends on the person's individual needs, and the court can change this as the situation changes. Guardianship can be removed or edited. If you have a guardian, you can still have rights of your own, such as who you want to vote for in a presidential election. Here is the timeline. If you are 14 years old, here's what is involved. When you become 16 years old, here is what is involved. When you become 18, after you've completed high school,